In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track team activity in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. To get started, if you're sitting at your Pipedrive dashboard, glance over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll want to look for the section labeled Insights. Click on that, and it will take you to the Insights area where your team's activities are tracked. This is a fantastic way to visualize how your team is performing overall. Once you're in Insights, head up to the top left corner of your screen. You should see an option that says Create. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic begins, as you'll be creating a report that gives you valuable insights into your team's activities. Next, after you click Create, it's time to select the entity and type for your report. In this case, you'll want to choose Activity as the entity type. Then for the report type, set it to Activities Performance. This choice will allow you to focus on all the activities your team is engaged in, whether they're calls, meetings, or tasks. Now that we have the basics set up, it's time to filter your data for the specific insights you need. You'll notice a series of filters at the top of the page. Here, you can select your time frame. For example, you might want to track the performance for this week or even last month. You also have the option to pick specific users or teams if you're looking for individual performances rather than group stats. This can be really useful for keeping an eye on key team members or departments. Additionally, you can filter by activity statuses, choosing options like completed tasks or overdue activities. This will give you a clearer picture of who is staying on track versus who might need a little extra support. Next up is the customization of visuals. In the graph area, you'll find options to select the style of your chart. A popular choice here is the bar chart, as it makes comparing different aspects of activity quite straightforward. You can also group the results by user, date, or activity type. This way, you can easily spot who is completing what tasks and if there are any trends in activity levels over time. Finally, once you're satisfied with the report and how it looks, it's important to save your work. Click on the Save button and don't forget to give your report a clear name. This will help you remember what insights the report offers when you're looking for it later. Once saved, your report will be stored in your Insights Hub, making it easy to monitor your team's performance in the future. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll be able to efficiently track team activity in Pipedrive. This reporting feature is such a powerful tool to help you understand your team's productivity and keep everything running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips